To create a company's Cloud-PBX, obviously start by going to the communication menu of this company and click on Create. Give a name to the PBX and obviously choose the Cloud-PBX type. Specify the language of the voice guides played by the system. Enter the information concerning the external calls, that is to say, the prefix of the trunk group seizure, and as well as the trunk group itself from the list. Here, only one is available. Concerning the public number of the company, it can be entered manually here or can be assigned automatically later when creating external numbers. Method that we will use. Finally, fill in the information concerning the internal numbering plan, in this case its size, the number of digits, by default 3, which we will keep here, and the prefix, meaning the first digit of the numbering plan. Example here 1, which ultimately gives a numbering plan ranging from 100 to 190. Once all this information is complete, click Create. Once the Cloud-PBX is created and in service, edit its information by clicking on it. General information is what we have just specified when creating it. Click on Call Settings to fill in the default behaviors for voicemail and barring. The overflow in the event of no response occurs after a 20-second delay. It is therefore possible to modify this timer. Regarding external calls, a barring can be applied. By default, everything is authorized. International, national and intra-PBX calls, but they can be limited to national and intra-PBX calls or even more strict, only intra-PBX calls can be authorized. Moreover, even if national calls are authorized, it is possible to block all calls to surcharged numbers. This behavior is a default behavior to adopt for the company. The members created later can therefore either follow this general behavior or follow different, stricter or more permissive rules. In the same way, it is possible to specify the policy to be adopted for sending the number during an outgoing call. Either the user transmits his public number or the company number is transmitted. Once the information has been updated, click on Close.